for my PBL project, I'm doing the stop and go reaction, and so I'm going to walk you through it. And in case you're wondering why I'm dressed up like this, it's because of safety. Plus I'm not in a lab, so yeah. Right, let's begin. First I have to mix the indigo carmine with water. Now we put the top back on, and then we're going to shake it. Next, we're going to put this to the side, and then we're going to take this graduated cylinder, and we're going to pour the dextrose solution. Okay, next, I'm going to take this dextrose solution that I poured in the graduated cylinder, I'm going to pour it in this flask. Okay, now I have to do it over again because this calls for 50 milliliters. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to make 50 milliliters of dextrose by pouring this in here. Next, we're going to do the same thing with the sodium trioxide. Now we're going to pour this into the flask, and then we're going to do it again. Alright, well, you see, I'm going to have to continue tomorrow because unfortunately the gloves that I was using were not safe, and it led to my thumb looking really bad, so I had to use some soap and some water and get some yellow nasty stuff off of it. So I'm going to have to continue this tomorrow, and so let's transition to the next scene. Okay, well, it's the next day, and so I'm going to continue my experiment. And as you can see, I got some new gloves. These are safer, they're newer, and they won't harm me. Well, anyway, these gloves right here, they were really bad, and I had to stop using them. And yeah, well, anyway, so let's get on with the project. Okay, so overnight it turned from clear to yellow. And now I'm going to take the top off, and I am now going to pour the indigo carmine in it. But first, let me pour it in the graduated cylinder. Okay, we want 5 milliliters of indigo carmine. Okay, well, this is kind of messy. And now I'm going to pour the indigo carmine into the solution. Now let me put the stopper in. Now let's shake it.